A Dane County judge strikes down right to work, siding with unions that sued the state. Under the law, employers cannot make workers be part of a union and contribute money to it. But the back and forth legal battle continues. Velena Jones has more.
Those unions are happy with today's decision calling the law unconstitutional. But those who are in favor of the law say this is just a setback. A year after right to work was signed into law, Dane County Judge William Faust ruled the law as unconstitutional.
We're very pleased. Today, justice was served for every working man and woman in Wisconsin.
The Friday ruling comes after a lawsuit filed by local unions, including the afl-cio. Faust agreeing with unions that forcing them to represent employees without paying dues is unfair.
What Scott Walker tried to do with his union-busting right-to-work bill was divide workers. And when workers are divided, they're not able to come together and have a meaningful voice in their workplace, which means that the middle class is going to suffer.
Thousands protested the concept last year before Governor Walker signed right to work into law last March. Protesters calling the law unconstitutional, allowing non-union members to not pay for services unions are required to provide by law. But not all agree. Attorney General Brad Schemmel calling the ruling a disappointment, saying he's confident the law will be upheld on appeal. Nick Novak at Associated Builders and Contractors says all workers should have the right to choose.
We believe in worker freedom and that every worker should have the right to decide whether or not they want to join a union and pay union dues. No worker should be forced to pay money to an organization that they may not support.
Speaker Voss also against the ruling, stating no one should be forced to join a union and hopes the decision will be reversed in a higher court. Eric, no word from Attorney General on when an appeal will be filed.
All right, Velena, thank you. Unions say the ruling now opens a window to allow them to go back to their employers to negotiate union shop clauses prohibited by Act 1.